Hello everyone, in this quick video we're going to show you how you can activate and test new full scope tools before they are officially rolled out to everyone within our platform. And in order to do this, all you need to do is head over to Settings and scroll all the way down until you find the Labs button. Click on Labs and you will find our beta program. Here's where you can see and potentially activate and use a bunch of new features that have not been fully rolled out yet, but are still active and usable within your account. So as you can see here, we've got some time zone updates for calendar appointments, multiple Facebook and Instagram pages rolling out soon, two-way sync for Outlook email, and on and on and on. Some of them you will see have already gone live, and so they are active by default. But either way, you can scroll through here. You can hopefully find some fun new features that are coming soon that you can, if you would like, go ahead and enable within your account. All you have to do is toggle this to on, and this feature will go live in your account. And that way you can start testing it, start using it, and you can, of course, submit feedback here if anything has not worked or if anything's gone wrong. That's why this is a beta feature. Obviously, we are still testing and finalizing on our side. That's why these features aren't rolled out to everyone yet, but you can, of course, come and turn this off anytime you'd like if it's not working well enough for you, or if you just don't need that feature quite yet. But either way, come down to Settings, Labs, and you can see all the fun stuff we're working on and potentially start using it days, if not months, ahead of when we are going to fully roll it out to everyone on the platform. So I hope this is interesting to you, especially if you're the type of person who likes to test things as they are being rolled out. Feel free to do so, and of course, give us feedback along the way. If you have any questions about these beta features, about using this labs area of your settings, please, of course, reach out to our support team anytime. We'll be happy to help.